Jacob Garner, and I'm here in Gloucester, and I've been born and raised here my whole life. I started here after 2019 when I graduated high school, just trying to figure out what to do, so I ended up getting my associate's degree. Took a year off around COVID time and then came back after I fell in love with cooking, so I'm enrolled in the culinary classes here. I've had, luckily, everything paid for through FAFSA and scholarship combined. That's been a huge relief. And my aunt's always loved cooking, so she had me come over a couple days and we made some stuff and I enjoyed it. I've never been around so many like-minded people. People that enjoy cooking and want to learn and are at different phases and different experiences in their life, and it's been really cool to see and learn from everyone, and I guess do a little bit of teaching myself and learn more than anything, but the learning's been the best part. I think this is the best way to fast track and start your career. It's, in my opinion, a much better alternative to culinary school, just because of the finances and the time constraints. It's a great way to fast track your career and really get into the business and learn quicker without having to do a full commitment to a university. But I'm looking forward to giving full-time cooking a chance and hoping to find something that really sticks and some place I can really enjoy and flourish. I found my answer at a Virginia community college.